Subscribe to Narkasur in Goa and click on the bell icon to never miss any update.
What started as a phase has become a growing trend. I guess what I can follow is my self-delusion. Cut me a piece, just a piece of that pie. Don't matter what, I am missing the high. Melting me down with that kerosene smile. Was full of hope, now I'm turning senile. Painted pictures, faulty fictions, contradictions, post-for scriptures. One thing I can tell you is you're heading straight for hell. Compromise your pay for sensing me under your spell. I might just be a freak to the rest of your critique. A lamb behind a wolf, always cautiously alert. Give me a dime, just a tap of that bag. Who gives a shit, honey, this is a drag. Melting me down with a kerosene smile. Was full of hope, now I'm turning senile. Painted pictures, faulty fictions, contradictions, post-for scriptures. One thing I can tell you is you're what the hell? Why you hanging on the rooftop by yourself? I have an open invitation, but you're telling me go get lost. I don't wanna see your face. Yeah, what the hell? So why don't we stay out till the morning light? 'Cause two wrongs can make a right. We're just doing what we feeling right now. So Chardonnay, we camp in the parking lot. Leave traces of plastic cups. We're just doing what we feeling right now. So what the hell? Why you hanging on the rooftop by yourself? Always waiting for the one, but I got news for you. I'm the best that you can get. So what the hell? Yeah, what the hell? So what the hell? So what the hell? What are you waiting for now? You're pretending that you like somebody else, like you got boys waiting in line to take you home. But tell the truth, you'll spend the night alone. Let's be alone. So why don't we stay out till the morning light? 'Cause two wrongs can make a right. We're just doing what we feeling right now. So what the hell? Why you hanging on the rooftop by yourself? Always waiting